You can expect a lot from the 2011 Volvo C70. This two-door, four-passenger convertible stands out among competitors in its class. Volvo made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 5-cylinder engine with more than 220 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Volvo prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by an outside temperature display, power front seats, a power convertible roof, and seat memory. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Volvo ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as integrated rollover protection, anti-whiplash front head restraint, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Side curtain airbags provide rollover protection. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.